This Christmas, let's create something simple, beautiful, and festive. A holiday wreath that instantly brings warmth to any space. Christmas wreaths don't have to be complicated. With just a few basic elements, you can design a piece that feels cozy, elegant, and full of holiday charm. Let's explore easy Christmas wreath ideas that anyone can make. Today, we'll walk through 3 simple steps: building the base, layering festive details, and adding finishing touches that make your wreath stand out. Whether you love classic holiday style or something modern and minimal, these easy ideas will help you create a wreath you'll love. Start with a simple circular form. This is your foundation: clean, versatile, and ready to be transformed. Wrap, layer, or shape your base in a way that feels natural and textured. The key is to keep it loose and simple so it still looks organic and handmade. Don't worry about perfection. The charm of a Christmas wreath comes from its natural, slightly uneven personality. Once your base feels full and balanced, you're ready to decorate. What style of wreath do you love most? Classic, rustic, or modern? Tell me in the comments below. Now comes the fun part: adding your festive elements. Think of this step like decorating a tree. Build from large to small. Add touches that bring movement, color, and personality. Keep your arrangement balanced, but let a few pieces peek out for that effortless, natural look. Mix different textures to create depth. Smooth pieces, soft pieces, and subtle sparkling accents all work together to make your wreath feel complete. You can stick to one color palette or mix tones for a playful twist. Build the look slowly and thoughtfully. Each added detail should bring more charm, fullness, and festive warmth to your wreath. If these easy Christmas wreath ideas inspired you, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who loves holiday DIYs. The final touches make your wreath truly shine. Add something subtle that draws the eye, a soft highlight, a delicate detail, or a small decorative moment that completes the look. These little features bring personality and elevate the entire design. Once everything feels balanced and festive, step back and admire your work. What started as a simple circle is now a piece of Christmas art that brings joy to anyone who sees it. For more holiday decorating ideas, DIY projects, and cozy seasonal inspiration, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Explore our Christmas DIY playlist for wreaths, ornaments, gift ideas, and more festive inspiration. And there you have it. Simple, beautiful Christmas wreath ideas that bring warmth and festive charm to any home. With just a few thoughtful layers and a touch of creativity, you can craft a piece that feels handmade, heartfelt, and perfect for the season. All the ribbons, greenery, and wreath-making supplies from this video are linked down in the description. So this Christmas, get creative, enjoy the process, and decorate with joy. Your perfect holiday wreath is just a few steps away. Merry Christmas!